Hi, I'm Andrea and I'm an inspector from WorkSafe Tasmania. We've been busy the last 6 months helping workplaces become COVID safe.
With Tassie's borders reopening and visitors travelling around the state again, now is the time to make sure you and your workers are still following the rules around cleaning, hygiene and physical distancing in order to keep everyone COVID safe.
We saw a lot of businesses had great COVID controls in place, but now they've dropped off significantly and complacency is sneaking into the way people do things.
Some people think that the pandemic is over, but it's not. And things can change very quickly. You only have to look outside Tassie to see that states and cities are still in lockdown or heading back that way. We need your help to make sure that this does not happen to us. Remember, becoming complacent about COVID-19 can kill, just the same as other workplace hazards can.
So update your COVID safe plan and make sure your measures are still working well to keep your workers, customers and community safe. It's time to make sure that we keep on top of COVID.